All right. So, this is the first trade recap on the new channel. From now on, I'll be posting my trade recaps on here just so I can be more in depth and explain more so I don't have to be so quick. But yeah, here's the first trade recap for Monday, December 22nd. So, today I took no trades. We had a very clear draw today, which was the new week opening gap, and we just couldn't deliver how I wanted us to see price deliver. So I stepped away from the markets, which in the long run is going to keep me profitable. So coming into the day, my bias was bearish, of course. We were trading within this 4 hour gap here, and we were holding this SMT with ES, and we also swept this 4 hour internal high too. So yeah, so I was definitely leaning very, very bearish. Because almost always we get a new week opening gap and price will naturally draw to it. So off market open, we dumped down quite a bit. After seeing this, I was looking for continuation shorts just down to this the new week opening gap, but I there was a decent setup within here, which was just right here. So we came up, we tapped back into the 5 minute gap here, and we clearly were respecting it, push lower, and we ended up inversing a 5 minute. So could have entered at that 5 minute close just to hold down to that new week opening gap. I know some people did take this, and I was about to take it, but I was just gonna kind of step away and wait till we got something more, just because we did inverse that gap, but we had this gap here. So naturally, I thought price would come down and retrace back into that 5 minute to push lower, but it never retraced. It just kind of bled right down, but I didn't want to FOMO into it. So at the end of the day, it sucks that missed a good setup, but in the long run, being smart, being discretionary, that will keep me profitable and that will keep me away from bad setups. I'm not saying this was a bad setup. This is honestly very good, especially for today. But I just stepped away from this because we also did get this bullish SMT here, and it did send us quite a bit higher off that, just off holding that SMT. So that is it for today. It was a pretty short recap for today. I didn't take anything, but from now on I'll be posting my trade recaps on here so I can be more in depth. And yeah, so P&L is at $0 for this week so far. I'll be trading tomorrow morning, and then I am done until the new year. So I hope everyone has a good rest of their day.